Hey man, let's talk about something that every guy has experienced at some point. 1 minute, she's all over you, texting back instantly, making plans, showing interest, and then out of nowhere, things start to shift. Her replies get shorter, she starts taking hours or even days to respond, and suddenly she's just not the same. You feel it in your gut, she's losing interest, and the worst part, you don't even know why. But I'll tell you straight up, there's one major reason why this happens, and it's a mistake that most guys make without even realizing it. If you don't catch it in time, it kills attraction fast. But if you fix it, you flip the script and make her chase you again. Let's break it down. 1. You've become too predictable. Attraction thrives on excitement, on mystery, on the thrill of the unknown. But what happens when she already knows exactly what you're going to do, what you're going to say, and how you're going to react? She gets bored. Most guys start strong. They're confident, fun, and unpredictable at the start. But over time, they fall into a routine. Same good morning texts, same compliments, same conversations, and that's when the excitement fades. Women don't lose interest because you're a bad guy or because someone better came along. They lose interest because they no longer feel emotionally engaged. If you want to fix it, you have to switch things up, pull back, disrupt the routine, become unpredictable again. Instead of always being available, make her wonder what you're up to. Instead of texting first every time, let her feel your absence. When she feels that shift, she starts paying attention again. 2. You're trying too hard to keep her interested. Here's the irony. The more effort you put into keeping her interested, the more you push her away. Why? Because neediness is unattractive. When you're constantly trying to impress her, constantly seeking validation, she senses it. And the moment she feels like she's got you wrapped around her finger, she starts pulling away. Think about it. Who do women chase? The guys who don't try too hard, the guys who have options, the guys who know their worth and let women come to them. If you feel like you're the one always initiating, always texting first, always trying to make plans, stop, pull back. Let her wonder. Let her invest. 3. You've made her the center of your world. The fastest way to lose a woman's interest: make her the most important thing in your life. At first, she loved the attention. She loved being pursued. But now, she's starting to feel suffocated. Women don't want to be your purpose. They want to be drawn into your purpose. A high-value man has a life outside of her. He has goals, he has a mission, he has passions. And when a woman sees that, she respects him more. So instead of worrying about why she's losing interest, ask yourself, are you neglecting your own life? Have you stopped being the guy she was originally attracted to? If so, it's time to refocus. Get back in the gym. Chase your dreams. Level up your life. Because when you start focusing on you instead of her, that's when she starts chasing again. 4. You stopped being a challenge. Women love a challenge. If she got you too easily, she won't value you as much. If she knows she can have you no matter what, she stops trying. So how do you fix this? You create space. You let her feel like she has to work for your attention again. The easiest way to do this: match her energy. If she starts texting less, you text less. If she stops initiating plans, you don't chase. If she starts acting distant, you mirror that energy. This does 2 things. It protects your self-respect, and it makes her realize what she's missing. Because the moment she feels like she might actually lose you, that's when she comes running back. Final thoughts. If she's losing interest, don't panic. Don't start chasing harder. Do the opposite. Become less predictable. Stop trying so hard. Focus on your own life. Let her work for your attention. When you do this, you shift the power dynamic. She starts wondering about you. She starts craving your presence again. And just like that, the attraction resets. If this hit home for you, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no BS advice on attraction and relationships. Stay strong, brother. I'll see you in the next one.